Come to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. You see here in this car, one side here is low and here is up. GL 450 2009. But when we come to the suspension, I'm going to start the car. The customer changed all suspension and he said everything is okay. I don't know why these things happen. And when you go to ADS adjustment, there is no codes, and you see no codes. Okay, let me see data. Live data. Okay, level sensor, vehicle level. You see here is -3, -0, -1, -1. There is a problem. Level sensor. Look here. Now I have one thing to show you. Still one left side pressure sensor value. Pressure in left front suspension strut. There is nothing there. Okay, let me go to the other one. Pressure in right front. Right front is 177. Okay, 177 psi. Okay, let me go back to the left here. Left front. Nothing. Pressure is 3 psi. So let's see visual inspection.
I changed the valve cover.
Okay, let me see here what happened on this side visually.
So visually,
okay, you see here, you found it outside, right?
yeah, this came out. It's supposed to go in here, and once the compressor kick in, it will elevate the shaft.
Yes, and then when it come out, I don't know why it come out like that easy.
You see the difference between how the car low over here?
Yeah, it's 177 psi there, and here it's only 3 psi.
This is not plugged in.
Yeah, what is it? Yes, yeah.
And you can see it on the car.
Now we're gonna turn it off again, and then we see if it's gonna come back. Yeah. Let me see now. I'm gonna turn the car off. Close the door. Let me start it. See what's gonna happen to this side. Sometimes the compressor will be hot and they may not work. Yeah, because it keep working. When it become hot, it's going to like a limo to cool down. So there will be nothing here for now, but I already show you the difference between the one that is good. So if you look here, pressure in the right rear sensor, you see here 97, 99. Rear left, for example, 117. Pressure in the central reservoir, 131 psi. Okay, but left front start going. Yeah, start going now. 13. Before. We're gonna leave it cool down, and then when we walk, I believe it's gonna come back to the normal. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.